Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I appreciate it. We are 7 away from having 1,700 subscribers, which means a big giveaway is coming up very soon. So that is very exciting, and I can't wait to give away a lot of really great makeup and skincare to someone special. What's this on my hand, you say? Oh, it's a henna. It's henna. It's a little henna design I got the other night at a club. It was very cool. I think I'm gonna have a henna party with some friends. We're gonna get some designs done on our hands. Henna lasts for a couple weeks and it fades out very nicely. It's very cool. It's a very fun thing to do. A lot of people do it at beaches and resorts, and they just happen to have it at the club I like to go to. So today, what are we doing today, Rhonda? Today we're going to be using new makeup from my BoxyCharm and Ipsy this month of November, and we are using the Ace Beauté Violet Sage palette, which is gorgioso and totally up my alley. It looks gorgeous. I can't wait to put it on my face. And we're going to be trying out the REM Beauty lip stain marker, and we'll see how that goes, what kind of look we end up with. I'm very excited about this giveaway. Totally excited. I cannot wait. I can't wait. It's so exciting. Anywho, so let's get started with this beautiful palette. I've got my base, my face, my blush, my bronzer, my brows on. You've seen me with plenty of get ready with me's lately, so you know how that goes. So today we're going to start with a beautiful crease color. I'm going to go with, it's so hard to say. This is such a pretty palette. I'm going to start with Anemone in my crease. It's a shimmer. It's a really light shimmer. Oh, wow. It's very pale. You can barely see it. I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm just going to put that on my lid too. Kind of a whole one-shot deal. Save me some time later on. But it's gorgeous. It's got a beautiful shine to it. And it's just a very nice pale pink. And that's a great base color. Next up, I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna say the greens are tempting, the purples are awesome. These mauvey colors are so calling to me because they'll look great with my hair. I'm gonna go into Cosmos, which is a darker shimmer. And put that on the outside corner and into the crease. That's very pretty. So that's right, I've used 2 shimmers in a row. Two shimmers, two shimmers, 2 shimmers. And I'm going to be having a friend of mine who does some pretty wild makeup on my channel sometime soon. We're going to do party makeup. Makeup for a party with like glitter and different things put on the face for like snowflakes and gemstones and things like that. She's awesome. Her name is Dunnery, and she is a lovely lady who is a little wild, which I appreciate completely. So that's something I look forward to. Now I'm going to go into, it's so hard. I'm going to go into Hydrangea, this purple. It's dark, but I want it. Woo! Let's blow that out. That is dark as hell. That is making it a whole new look. A whole new world. That looks crazy. Let's get a blending brush out here and see what I can do to save my look. This blending brush is blending it away a little bit, which is nice. Softening it up. It's kind of disappearing. I mean, it's still dark, but it's not like crazy. Because it was looking crazy for a second. That's a good blend. Did get a little bit down here. That's cool. I'm going to go back into Anemone and put that with my finger on the lid, and that softens that purple up quite a bit. This is pretty, but what it's calling out for is liner and mascara. So I'm going to do that and be right back, and hopefully it will look a lot better. And voila, we are back with liner and mascara, and that did pull this look together. And now we're going to try this lip stain pen, and I'm very excited about it. I love a lip stain, but sometimes they just don't have the power and the color that I want. And so let's give her a go. And this is in the color, this color, which should look really great with this, which is in the color, let's see if I can't read it with my magnifying glass. Miss Berry. Ooh, it's pretty. This definitely has the color that I'm looking for. That is beautiful. And there's a cat throwing up, which I can't control. Lovely. Anyway, this is a great look. This lip stain pen is fantastic. It's actually giving me the pigment that I want from a lip stain, and I'll have to let you know how it wears after a while. But I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.